Hey everyone, welcome to the IndieNYC Show. We are live at the Bubbly Brown Sugar web series Red Carpet. We are on the red carpet for Bubbly Brown Sugar web series, and I am with Maria Folt.
I play Megan. She brings out the best, I would say, in her fiance or her husband. She's a little frisky. Girl's a little frisky. She's a lot frisky. She's really frisky.
We are with Rich Lowe. He is the leading man, Caleb, in the web series Bubbly Brown Sugar. So tell us a little bit about your character, Rich.
Okay, my guy Caleb, he's a kind of down on his luck when it comes to love character, and his ex-girlfriend does some bad things to him, and he's doing his best to break free of it and hopefully find somebody new. He doesn't really expect who it's going to be, so the beauty and the mystery and just finding out that somebody else is actually perfectly fit for him while he's over here hurting over somebody else. So that's kind of the thing.
I feel like that's really relatable.
That's life.
We are here with James A. Pierce III.
Yes, that's right.
You go by your whole name. Why do you go by your whole name?
Because it's important. It's like Succession. Like I am the third of my name.
Yes.
You know. It's
So I'm repping.
I'm a king.
Yes, yes, King. Okay. So who do you play in the show?
I play Kwame. I am Jules' best friend, brother, her right hand man. We go way back. Kwame would do anything for Jules' happiness.
Yeah. And I see from the trailer, your character has like a comedic. You bring some of the comedy, like punchlines.
Yes.
Were you like the funny guy on set?
There are so many funny people on our cast.
That's awesome.
When I've seen some of the footage, I was like, oh my God.
I'm here with the beautiful actress, Verda Maloney. Verda, please tell us who you play in the show.
I play Takara in the show. I am a podcast producer.
My name is Sean. I play Mike in the show. I'm the love interest of Kimmy.
Do you feel like your character is very relatable? Like people will be able to connect with your character? How do you think they'll feel?
I hope not. I hope he's not that relatable. It was kind of fun to play it. But let's just say that, like anyone, some insecurities come out, in a relationship. But we have to get, as real people, we have to get over those, and let's just say by the end, it takes quite an interesting turn.
Okay. We are with Randall. Hey, one of my friends. I run into him at auditions and stuff. It's always really cool seeing Randall.
What's up with that? Come on, universe. I need you to make this happen. Let's go. Hi, you guys. My name is Randall Holloway, and I'm playing the character Marcus. That is the talk show host for the Bubbly Brown Sugar talk show. You get it? Bubbly Brown Sugar talk show. And he is an interesting character as a man because he's celibate. And he's not trying to push his sexual urges, and he wants to wait for that one to get married with. So he's very frustrated. Very.
We are with actress Sabrina Athena. Can you tell us what character you play in the show and a little bit about her?
Absolutely. Hi, everybody. I am Gigi Hernandez in the show. I am the voice for the streets for this tri-state area. Little bit of Angie Martinez. If you know, you know. With a whole lot of Wendy Williams, because I'm definitely with the shits.
We are with Jacinth Headlom. If you've watched our half-hour segment on MNN, you've seen this beautiful face.
I play the role of Angela, and Angela is the fiance of Caleb. But I know people are like, but was it Caleb with the other girl? Yeah, it's a little confusing. However, that's how love is. Look, we go through stuff, all right? But he's mine.
I am with Tyler V, and she is a singer-songwriter. Tyler, let us know a little bit about the song that you have in the show.
Yes, I'm a singer-songwriter from Harlem, and it's called Drop. It's very sensual, very sexy, very old school R&B, but still modern.
We are with Nina Bonte. She is one of the producers on Bubbly Brown Sugar web series. So we have with us right now the creator of Bubbly Brown Sugar web series, and she's been on our show before, so you guys know who this is. Tamala Baldwin.
Hey, y'all.
So Tamala, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling on top of the world. Oh, my character is Jewel, and she's actually named after my mother, whose name is Julia. And she is really, really into spirituality. She believes in spiritual law and manifestation and how to practice mindfulness. But even with all that, her spiritual know-how, she's still a little bit aloof.
Yeah.
She's kind of knocking things over along her way to enlightenment, sort of.
Which is sounds familiar. So I feel like your character is totally relatable. I can't wait to watch it. So what drew you to the project?
Well, when I saw that the casting for it, it said that they needed a guy that was about my height, and they described me and it said he needed to be able to sing, and I'm like, did somebody cast me already? Like, that's what I was thinking. So when I auditioned, they hit me back and told me that they loved my audition, and that was pretty much it.
Wonderful. So you're the one singing in the trailer.
That's me.
That high note.
That's me.
Oh
That's
my
voice.
goodness.
Yes, it is.
So were you a musician first,
Yes.
and then you're transitioning into acting?
Yes, I'm a musician. I had a record deal. I'm still actually signed to a publishing company, BMG Chrysalis. But
Congratulations.
I'm an artist first. Thank you. I'm an artist first, and after that, I transitioned into acting. But acting is really taking my heart over.
Wonderful. Okay.
Tamala, because she's amazing and brilliant and all things beautiful and love and light and creative and talent. It's like, how can you not want to be in that circle? She like draws you and you're like, I have to be a part of it. So she's amazing. She's amazing. So that's how I became a part of it, yeah.
Well, Tamala and I are actually represented by the same talent manager. She tossed me the audition.
Yeah.
And once I found out that this Black woman not only is represented by the same talent manager, she also wrote, came up with the concept, put the crew together. Listen, it's no easy task, people.
It was on Backstage, and I saw the casting. I applied, and the minute I think I was just getting back from I was traveling internationally, and the minute I got off the plane, that same day I went to the audition. And then like a couple weeks later, she told me, hey, we would like to give you the role of Angela. And I was just screaming. I was like, yes!
Well, that's a loaded question. Tamala Baldwin and I, we went to business school together many years ago. And we're classmates, former classmates, friends, and now we are colleagues. So yes, we came together to do this amazing project, and I'm just so blessed to be a part of it.
What's a little taste of something that we can expect?
You can expect Kwame to bring life to the party. Kwame is a lot of fun. And when Jules down, he lifts her up. He's there as a moral support. And he's the friend you want. He's the kind of friend you want in your corner.
Right.
Yeah.
In the show, we talk about politics, things that are going on with the world and the country, and just sex.
Okay. So if you're down with that, you gotta tune into Bubbly Brown
Let's talk
Sugar,
about
right?
sex,
Let's talk about you and me.
Angela, me and Caleb and I go through our ups and downs, but you'll see in Bubbly Brown Sugar whether our down tears us apart or it makes the relationship stronger, or whether he decides to stay with me or not.
Can you sing a little bit of your song for us?
Of course. I need every last drop of your love. Show me what it feels like.
Yes! Like, why should people watch the show?
There's a lot. Anybody that has a dream, anybody that believes that they can do something other people think they can't, overcome a situation other people think they can't, this show is for you. If you believe that anybody has told you no, or anything might not be as it seems, or you got your heart broken, or you lost that job, or anything can be overcome. And love conquers all, and I believe that. And this show is a great, great show for that.
If you want to laugh, if you love love, if you love happiness, if you love Black people.
We love Black
We
people.
love Black people. If you love dance, I mean, it's a well-rounded show. It's all fully fleshed out. It's a beautiful show, and it's just a lot of happiness, man. It's good.
Because Black love is revolutionary.
Yes. So if you believe Black love is revolutionary, you need to tune into Bubbly Brown Sugar series.
Because this is a show that is for millennials and people a little bit older. Everybody's going to be able to relate. It's about Black love. It's about two soulmates meeting in their dreams, but they have to go through different obstacles with their friends to finally meet. So the audience is literally going on a journey to see how do they meet.
People should tune in to see something different.
Yeah.
There's a lot of the same. There's much of the same. And of course, this is a romantic comedy. This is something, but there's a deeper meaning. There's some inclusion involved in this. There's some mystery of what if you were thinking about something outside of the norm? What if marriage after college with kids didn't necessarily work for you? What if you felt destined in a different way and people try to condemn you? All of this is for that.
I would say it's so many flavors going on in Bubbly Brown Sugar. You're gonna cry, you're gonna laugh, you're gonna think, you're going to reflect. And it's one series that I know for sure taps into so many different emotions. It's not just a comedy, it's not just a drama, it's not just fantasy, it's a mixture of all of that, and I love that.
Yeah.
It keeps you at the edge of your seat.
Were there any challenges that you faced on set that you weren't expecting, and how did you overcome it?
I think the greatest challenge of producing is, of course, money-related issues and timing.
Yeah.
Because all it takes is for one thing to go wrong, and that sets you off with timing and your budget. So we did come across a few challenges, but I think we have such a great team, a very supportive team, that we got through every challenge. And here we are at the red carpet, right?
So can you tell us, from tonight, where do you see the show going? Like, what would be your ideal situation for where the show would end up?
I would love for it to like blow up online, or whether like some property like BT or Warner Brothers ever picks it up, and then we can go from online to major TV. And then I can get other opportunities to write more stories that feature people of color, where we're like receiving our happily ever after.
Yeah.
We need more of that.
Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. So being here tonight, from script to premiere, what is that like? What does that feel like?
It feels a little bit surreal. Like, I can't believe it's actually happening. People are actually here.
Yeah. Well, you're amazing. So like, everybody's commented on your personality, and they're doing this show. They love you so much. Can you let us know where we can find you on social media, and if you have a website or anything like that?
Yeah, I'm Maria Thole, at Maria Thole on Instagram, Maria Thole on Facebook, and it's mariathole.com.
You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere at RichLowe24, L-O-W-E, Rich L-O-W-E 24.
So Fierce Pierce II on IG and Twitter. And you can just look for James A. Pierce III,
Okay.
which is fine.
I'm vertamaloney.com, vertamaloney on Instagram. Come follow.
I'm Sean Dawaskiba on Instagram. Same thing on Facebook as well. Sean Dawaskiba. D like in David, A-W-I-S-K-I. B like in boy, A.
You can follow me at ITS Randall Holloway. It's Randall Holloway on Instagram, and yo, check me out.
You can definitely look me up on Instagram. You can follow me at Sabrina, S-A-B-R-I-N-A, like the witch, although I'm not. 2 underscores, Athena, like the goddess. Definitely check me out.
I'm on all forms of social media, or I'm Jacinthe, I-M-J-A-C-I-N-T-H. Or go to my website, theloveafter.com, and it has access to everything. It's a one-stop shop.
You can find me on She Is Tyler V. Everything SheIsTylerV.com. She Is Tyler V on Facebook, Instagram, everything.
Well, I am on Facebook. Sometimes they post pictures of me on the Bubbly Brown Facebook page, which is nice. But you can follow me on Instagram at nbhanti. That's N-B-H-A-N-T-I. And thank you.
You can find Bubbly Brown Sugar on Instagram at Bubbly Brown Sugar Series, and also on Facebook, Bubbly Brown Sugar.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us on the Bubbly Brown Sugar web series, Red Carpet. I'm your host, Latrice Baker. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.